The final gathering radius option is basically a way to modulate the sharpness or blurriness of the final gathering effect. For example, if you have a large radius specified, so this image on the right has a min of 10, a max of 100, and because you have such a large radius, there's much greater probability that the hemispheres will overlap each other. And if they overlap, they end up using the same final gathering samples, and so you get a less detailed resolution of the indirect illumination. So you end up getting these blurry areas in the shadows and not much detail resolved here. If you compare that with a radius that is much smaller, so the image on the left has a min of 0.5, max of 5, and in this case, you're going to have a lot less probability that the actual hemispheres overlap one another. So each hemisphere will compute its own final gathering samples, and basically you'll get a more accurate picture of the indirect illumination. So here you can see there's a lot more detail in the shadows here, and on the foot you're getting more indirect illumination effect. If we actually do a difference between the two images, you can see exactly in what areas we're computing the indirect illumination more precisely and how it's improving the image.